Where are we going? Where are we going tomorrow?
I don't know.
Where do you want to go? To Charlie's wedding?
Yeah.
Why? Who are you going to see? What? We're going to see Finn and Ruben?
Ben and Ruben and Charlie.
And Charlie.
Yeah, Charlie.
Is that going to be fun? When are we going to go to Charlie's wedding?
I don't know.
We're going tomorrow? Are you excited?
Yeah. I broke my head.
Did you bump your head?
Yeah.
You're full of it.
Yeah.
See you later.